Here we have an absolutely gorgeous 2014 GMC Savana Explorer high top handicap wheelchair conversion van, limited SE, 57,000 original miles, absolutely gorgeous condition, rust free, smoke free, Braunability side entry wheelchair lift, loaded with every possible option, navigation, backup camera, 8-door package, gorgeous black two-tone leather inside, rear entertainment. I mean, the thing is bad to the bone. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. When we reach 10,000 subscribers on all platforms, we are going to give away a free handicap van to somebody. So find us on all the platforms. Give us a call. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. You can Google us. Only 5-star reviews, only positive feedback everywhere. We try to treat everybody the best we can. 46 years in business. We're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. As you can see, this van is absolutely gorgeous. 2014 Savana, 57,000 original miles, clean inside and out, running perfect, fully serviced, ready to go. Gorgeous black on, two-tone gray leather interior. Tires have plenty of tread depth left, probably better than 70%. Paint on the roof is excellent. There's a couple small bug chips in the hood, a couple of little scratches in the bumper, but at the bottom it's super nice. The body's laser straight, no accidents, completely clean Carfax, rust free all the way. Gorgeous. Has a rear power folding bench seat bed, gorgeous two-tone leather inside. I'm going to run you through everything, show you how everything works. Don't hesitate to give us a call, text, email us at any time. Find us, Supreme Motors USA, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Call, text, email 954-561-2499. Full power folding bed, goes all the way down. Some of these handicap vans, they don't go all the way down. We specialize in these vans. We accept all types of trade-ins. We can ship anywhere in the world. We offer warranties. Don't hesitate to contact us. Give us a like, give us a follow. We'd really like to get to 10,000 so we can give away a van. This van is all the way there. The carpet is immaculate, super clean, super nice. Got all your window shades. Again, this is an 8-door package. Show you how the wheelchair lift works here. You can go in and out both sides. Super nice van. I'm using the Pendant. It's a 750-pound Braunability wheelchair lift. Excellent Century Series lift. Super nice. 2-post. It can handle just about anything. If you need any help or have any questions, give us a call. Put that there and you're in. This wheelchair lift also has a power on and off switch to keep it on and off. Generally good to keep it off because it might draw power when you have it on. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Don't hesitate to call us, email us, text us. We're happy to help. 8-door package, which is awesome. Come in both sides here, especially with the 2-post lift. You don't have to worry about the lift being closed and getting in and out of the van. You can get in and out. You got the bed, L-tracks in the floor. This is a hardcore rubber floor. Got your Blu-ray player, cooler, all of your plug-ins, heated front seats, two-tone navigation. You got your TV. Beautiful two-tone leather seating, gorgeous wood grain. Excuse the glare from the sun. It's so hot here and humid today that this is interfering with the video. You got your navigation system. Backup camera is located in there. You got 56,388 miles. No warning lights on. The van is running. Absolutely stunning condition. Got your heated seats on. Center console cooler. There's your owner's manuals. And this thing is all there. Beautiful. give us a call at 954-561-2499. Look at those gorgeous LED lights inside. Rear sunroof with the shade. Beautiful. Window shades. Showed you those. Beautiful chrome wheels. Tires are better than 70%. Almost new. I mean, the thing barely has any dings anywhere. I mean, it's super clean and nice. It's your power recliners. As you can see, this thing is loaded out. Condition wise, this thing is outstanding. Give it a 9.5 out of 10, and the only reason why it's a 9.5 is because it's a pre-owned vehicle. I'm going to show you under the hood. You can see it's laser straight down the sides. Don't hesitate to call us, 954-561-2499. You can text us to that number, send us a message, give us a like, give us a follow, please. You can see under the hood, super nice. 50 state emissions. Go to California with this bad boy if you want. Super clean, no rust, no issues whatsoever. Mesh grille. Super nice. You can see the frame is perfectly dry. No rust whatsoever. Clean Carfax. Been a Southern van his whole life, pretty much. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 954-561-2499. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.